everybody, Carolyn Crow here. Today I'm so excited to try a new recipe for a side dish that I think would be perfect for a backyard barbecue. It's charred green beans with crispy chickpeas. You can make it on your grill or you can make it on your stove, and I'm going to talk about doing it both ways. So let's get started. Okay, so to make our charred green bean and crispy chickpea salad, we only need a handful of things. First things first, I'm going to drain the chickpeas. Now don't forget the liquid in these chickpeas is what we now call aquafaba, which I believe loosely translates to bean water. If you want to try some vegan baking, do a fun experiment, replace whipped egg whites with whipped aquafaba. It's really cool and it tastes good. It doesn't taste like beans at all. So I'll keep that and rinse these. So once you've got your chickpeas all drained and rinsed, it's time to prep your green beans. This recipe calls for a pound of green beans. My green beans are a little bit light today because we threw some into our veggie fried rice last night. Is that a video you guys would like to see? That's one of our favorite recipes. Maybe I'll share that with you soon. So just snap the ends off of your green beans. These are cute little green beans. So I've rinsed both of these off now. Since I want them to get charred in the pan, you don't want too much water clinging to them. That will prevent browning. So I'm just taking a paper towel and sort of lightly dabbing the chickpeas with the paper towel. The water kind of acts as a barrier between the heat and the skin of whatever it is you're trying to char. And if you're going to have anything in between them, you want it to be fat. Hello, because fat browns as well. Just a quick dab. I mean, look, these are all wet. We got water off. This was a good idea. I'm just going to grind up some spices. I'm going to do a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of coriander. I don't want them to be fully ground up. I just want to sort of lightly crack them. If you have a mortar and pestle, this is a perfect place to use that. I don't have a mortar and pestle, so I'm just going to give them a quick grind in my spice grinder. All right, we're going to move over to the stove. So I'm going to cook this in my well-seasoned cast iron skillet. Put it over high heat. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, enameled cast iron would work well also. I would not do this in a non-stick pan. If you do it in your cast iron skillet, this is also perfect to do on the grill. You can just throw your skillet right on the grill, cook it right there with your burgers and your dogs and whatever else. Heating this up on high heat. Gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. Sort of swirl it around in the pan. Okay, the oil is starting to shimmer. So I'm gonna throw in my chickpeas and my crushed spices, the cumin and coriander. It's already smelling so good. Ooh, they're starting to pop. I think I'm just about ready to call this done. The spices smell nice and fragrant, and the chickpeas have taken on a golden color. So I'm going to take these off the heat, put them back into their bowl. Got a nice hot pan now, put it back on high heat. Another tablespoon of olive oil in there. Ooh, that oil's already smoking. Let's get those beans in there. Beans on board. Whew. Make sure to get them in one nice even layer. Everybody's touching the pan. Yeah, 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 yeah. Get in there. You want to get them in there, get them all in a nice even layer, and then don't touch. Let them char. These aren't going to take much longer. These are going to be done fast. I think they're done. They've got beautiful color on them. Oh my goodness, yes. I'm going to throw the chickpeas back in. Everybody in the pool. Oh boy. I'm going to eat it. You know, try to get it into the bowl, not all over the counter. Gonna taste for seasoning in just a minute, but first, This is for bonus points. If you have a lemon on hand, grill it up. This lemon has already been used for some cocktails. That's okay. Right down on there. Whew, it's hot in there. Okay, so I let my lemons hang out on the skillet for another minute and they're gorgeous. Let me show you. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh, flavor. About half of this grilled lemon, squeeze that on there. Okay, into my bowl. My little serving bowl. This would be such a perfect side dish for your socially distanced Labor Day cookouts. Just arrange my grilled lemon in there just like that. Done. I mean, what a great unexpected side dish for a cookout. And it was so easy. That took like 5-10 minutes. It was nothing. If you guys try it, I hope you'll let me know. Put it down in the comments there. Let me know what you think of it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.